Hey everybody, we are in Ringwood right now in this raised cape, which is in amazing condition. You've got gleaming hardwood floors, you've got a nice sized living room and family room downstairs, central air, beautiful large eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and some stainless steel appliances, all recessed lighting, as well as a fan for those in-between days. Then we have 4 bedrooms. We've got 4 bedrooms on this floor, an adorable nursery, as well as a primary bedroom. And then you have 2 more bedrooms upstairs. So I always say the raised cape is the biggest bang for your buck as far as space and the most amount of people that you can fit into a vertical home. The property is fenced in, and if you follow me this way, you'll see a beautiful screened-in porch. We've got 2 sheds on the property, and this house is coming on the market tomorrow in the mid-400s. Open house this weekend, and hurry because it's a really nice house.